guys, in this video I am going to guide you on how to create such a beautiful BTU website. As you can see, this is the latest version of the script we have available in the town. This is version 6.8. Version 6.8, as you heard me right. This is the recent website that I have created for this user, and I am going to guide you on how to create such beautiful video website by yourself. And later I am going to give you access to this script. So this is how to log into this account. For instance, this is how to log into this account, and you can register on this website. Probably I forget my my thing, so that's the reason. So this beautiful BTU website, you can create it using your using your mobile phone, if you don't have a computer, because here I am going to guide you on how to create it using computer. You can offer several services using this version 6.1. You can see we have printing NIN, we have printing BVN, we have registration CAC, we have phone number, meaning you can verify your BVN with your phone number. You can do several things. You can see the deposit method. We have several payment gateways. These are the services you can offer: airtime, data, and so many things. You can see, you can stop to read because I don't have much time. So that's the reason I will shift this explanation. You can see bulk SMS and many services like Airtime Swap. You can see you can add beneficiaries, you can offer API services to many users. This is the beautiful website we have available in the town. So here in my in my video, you can see how to purchase the domain name. Here we have the API's host. You can see you can get your domain name, SSL certificate, and the hosting. With a single click, you can see we have been redirected to our cPanel dashboard. This is the cPanel interface, and here I am going to guide you step by step on how to follow and install this BTU website. So here I am going to upload the main script. Click on this file manager. You can see you will navigate to the file manager. If you didn't see it, you can search it here. This is the search button. This is the search bar. You can type file manager here and navigate to the file manager. So I am going to navigate us to the file manager. Here we should log in. We should click on this public HTML, then select all these files and delete them all, because we don't want them. Whenever you have registered with a new domain, you will find it. So now the directory is empty. We are going to click on this upload. Here is the simplest way to do website, even if you don't know how to code. So we are going to select the file. If you are selecting the file, let us go back to the to this directory. This is the version 6.1 script. I have uploaded it. To the drive file. At the end of this video, I am going to guide you on how to get access to this file. This is the PDF file that will guide you step by step on how to register, while this is the zip file and this is the database file. These are the only three files that you want. This one will guide you. So now I am going to upload this version 6 script. Okay, I am so sorry, I am not going to use this one because I have told you I am going to use version 6.8. Version 6.8. It is version 6.8, not version 6.7. So this is version 6.8. You can see. Let me upload it. Yes, this is version 6.8, because we have version 6.1, we have version 5, we have version 6 available with us. So you can try any one, but this one is version 6.8. So before it finish uploading, let us go back to the cPanel page and create our database. Here we are going to use the database wizard. Click on the database wizard, and then let's create the username for this database. Let's use app. musti.app. So for this one, let us just use let us copy this the username of our database. Then let us type this musti data, the username. For the password, we are going to use this one, and let us retype the database. So this is the database name, while this is the database username we are creating. Then click on create user. So this is pretty simple on how to create the database. So here we are going to copy this one. We are going to copy the username for the database and the name. So I'm going to click on this all privileges to add the privileges. So click on it and click on make changes. This is the simple way on how to create a database. So here we have finished. Let us save this database name, and don't forget that we have used this one as the password. So let us save it as the password password for the database password for the database. So here we have our details. You can use Notepad. Skip this. Let us skip this. So later we are going to create the email. From the cPanel page. Create the email account. Here we have to click on this create. So you have to type the username for the email. Let us type support at Musti Data. For now, let us use the same password for this email address to avoid any distraction. So let's click on create, and here our email was being created. You can see, let me copy the email as well. So let me paste it like this. Let me paste the email. You can see we have pasted the email password dot ng. The email password is this as well, password. So now we have done with this. So we are going to navigate back to the cPanel page. Let us see if this was finished uploading. It is still uploading. So before it finish uploading, let us go back to the main cPanel. You can see, let's navigate to the php my admin. This is php my admin. As I am telling you, whatsoever you didn't find it, you can search it here. This is php my admin. It is pretty simple to create such beautiful B2 website. It is pretty simple, and you can do anything. To connect the B2 website. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, let's continue for some while. This is Musti data. You can see from this right angle, we have the database here, Musti data. You have to follow my cursor. Here we are going to import the file. You can see this is import. We have to click on this import, and we have to choose the file. This is the choose file option. You have to click on this choose file, and then select this file. This is the SQL file. After you have selected the file, click on this import, and you are going to import the main database. You can see this is the database table we have imported. It has so many features, more than your expectation. So let us go back to the main file to see if it has finished uploading. Okay, it is still uploading. You can see. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. Let's wait for it for a little to finish uploading. Let's see. Okay, as you can see now, the upload has been finished. As you can see, this is almost 100%. Let's click on go back to home/public HTML. Then let us redirect, click or reload the uploaded file. Okay, for now, let's see. Let us go back to the file manager. Click on file manager. Let's click on public HTML. Boom. The file has been uploaded. You can see the file has been uploaded. Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm on another session, so that's why. Once you click public HTML after the upload, you can see the file has been uploaded. So all you need to do is just to right click on the file and click on this extract, and the file will be extracted into your public HTML. The file will be extracted into a public HTML. As you can see, you can later delete this one. You can later delete this one. I don't want it anymore, so therefore I'm going to delete it. So here I'm going to change several things on this website. But before, you can see I have created the database name and the username. So now let me copy this database name and let me navigate to this page. Here I'm going to click on this core file. Click on core, then later click on this models, and then right click on this model.php, then click on edit. So you have to edit this file. Here you have to edit the number, line number 11, 12, 13, 17, and 18. So I am going to change this database name. You can see this is the database name, right? This is the database username. Don't forget we have used the same one. This is the database password. You can see we have used the same one. This is the email password. We have used the same one. So here we have to copy our email address. Don't forget we have to copy our email address. Then after you have copied your email address, you have to paste it here. You have to paste the email address here. We have pasted our email address, then click on save change. We have save change. We don't need to do anything after that. Then off one level, then click on help us, then click on bendo, then right click on this site.php and edit it. Right click on this site.php and edit it. Instead of this beamer sub, you have to write the name of your website. Here we have Musti data, then save changes. So let's close this file. Here we have updated our website name. So all we need to do now is just to click on this index.html and click on edit. Click on edit. Click on edit. Then we have to write we have to click on this search icon. This is the search icon. After you have clicked on this search icon, then here you have to type beamer sub. So we have to click on this plus icon below it. Just below it, we have to click on it. Then you have to type the name of your website. Here we have Musti data, right? We have Musti data. Then click on all and click on replace. Here meaning that we have replaced all the possible places with beamer sub with our name of the website, Musti data. Then click on save change, and boom, we have finished with this. Do the same on the contact.html. Do the same on the contact.html. Write beamer soft for this. Then click on plus icon. Write the name of your website, Musti data. Then click on all and replace. Then save change. Now we have finished with this account deletion policy. Edit it also. Click on plus icon, write beamer soft. Click on plus icon, then replace it with Musti data. Click on all and replace, then save changes. Then we are going to do the same with privacy policy. Don't touch documentation and PHP. They are not your own. Click on privacy policy and do the same. Beamer soft. Then click on plus icon, then type the name of your website, Musti data. Here we are changing all the possible things to the preferred one, meaning we are changing the name of the website to our website name. Click on terms and condition, then also for terms and condition, change the name of your website. Click on plus icon, then type the name of your website, Musti data, then all are replaced. So now we have finished with this. All that remains is just to change the logo. Click on this asset folder. This is the asset folder. click on img in the asset folder, then click on this upload and upload your logo. I am going to guide you on how to create the logo, but here I am going to click on this. I am going to click on this. Let me click on img. This is the folder, this is the zip file. You have to compress your logo to the zip file before uploading it. When you create the logo, you have to just compress it to the zip file to upload it on the website. Then click on go back. Then after that, we have to just let me delete this one. Let me delete this one as well. Aha. For it not to be, for it not to confuse us, then right click on this uploaded one and extract it. Extract the uploaded one. Here you can see we have extracted the file, right? Let's reload it like this. Then before we go into the page, here we are going to change the favicon. This is the favicon. This is the favicon. And don't forget, we have to also change the gc and GOCC, Go CR, GC, and Pabicon. So the Pabicon is different, while all these the remaining ones are all the trash. So here we have to right click on this one. You can see the byte is different. Let's view it. Let's view this one. You can see this is the image, but you can't see it because we have. So here we have to name it Pabicon. Let's rename it Pabicon. Rename it Pabicon. Pabicon. Then let's rename this one GC. GC. Let's rename this one. Let's rename this one GC Go CR. I think this is the name, right? Then let us right click on these ones that we have selected and move them back to this directory. Remove the paste img and let it asset slash img. Then move all the files. Then don't forget that we need one here. We need one here. Okay, let us move this one. Let us move these two. Let us move them to the asset folder. Let us move them to the asset folder. Move them because we need them in the directory. Okay, I forget that this is the one, the favicon. Let me reload it. Let me reload it. We have, don't forget that we have changed this favicon, this GC and Go CR. These are the ones that we have changed. I forget that we need this favicon. We need this favicon. Let us just copy it to the asset. Let us just copy it to the asset. Sorry, I think I have missed the file. So this is the asset, right? So click off one level, and here we have here we have GC Pabicon and GC back. GC Pabicon and GC back, right? So let us copy this name. Let us copy this name. Then we have to delete on this GC Pabicon. We have to delete it. Then let us rename this Pabicon is the one that we have moved here. Let us just rename it to this GC Pabicon. Let us rename it to this GC Pabicon. And this one GC back. GC back. We don't want, I think we don't want it anymore. So let us reload, and boom, we have finished everything that we are going to change in the directory. So here we have to click on this musty data. This is our domain name, right? Let's search on our domain name. You can see here our website has been created. This is our website, mustydata.com. mustydata.com. You can see this is our website that was being recently created. And let me right click on this logo. Let me copy the address to see why it is still reflected like this. Let me copy the logo. Okay, this is the name. This is the name of the logo, asset slash image slash this one. So let me change it as well. Let me change it as well. So here I'm going to take this one, Go CR. OCR, then copy it to the uh to this directory /images. This is the directory that I am going to navigate it to, /images copy. So let me go back to these images and see images. That let me check for that one. Let me check for that one. OCR, this is the one. Let me rename it to the COVID name. Rename. You can see. So now let me see if I can reload the file. Let me see. Okay, let me open it in another browser. To see if the change was executed, because there we have the charge file. This logo was not yet changed. So let me try again. Let me just rename this one. Okay, I'm so sorry, I forget that I am to copy this. Then rename this logo that I have moved, because I know that it is of important. I am going to get it somewhere. Then after that, let me move it to the images /images. Then let me move it there. So now I think it will replace this one, if not the issue of the website charge. It will replace it. So let me reload the page. And see. New incognito window. Boom, it was changed. All I need to do is just to clear my charge. Then you will be able to see it, because let me guide you on how to let me clear my charge first. Good. Now that I have cleared my charge, let me just paste the browser, and you can see that the website logo has been changed. You can see this is the Musti data. This is the logo that I have uploaded, Musti data. So now let's try to log into the page to see if we can do that. You can see Musti data. You can see here we have it. When you don't have an account, you click on create account. You can see here you can create an account. You can see warning, please ensure provided account was so. You can see here I am going to click on login now. Let me log in with my contact. Welcome back. You can see here I have been logged into this website. You can see 381. This is the feature of this website. You can see we have it available, because this is the airtime that I have purchased on the website. This is the data that I have purchased on the website before, because we have this script. I have the transaction on it, so that's the reason it is showing me this transaction. When you are a user and you make successful transaction, this is how it will show you. And now I am going to navigate you to this page, the admin page, /admin gc, I think, /admin gc. Good. This is the admin website. Here the password is the username is admin, and the password then click on login. Here you can log into the admin page. This is the admin page of this website, and it is simple and pretty easy to operate. You as a admin, you can operate this website as simple as possible. So here we have mostly data. You can see in this admin page you can do several things. Because I don't want this video to be longer, I think I'm going to stop this video at the range of 30 minutes. So you can see this is the dashboard. You can see the balance of the user, the agent, and the vendor. Here we can let me click on this API wallet so that you can know how to set your API wallet. This is the wallet balance of this page. So here in the system user, you can see you can add several admins to operate your website. You can set new admins. Here you can see as a customers, you can check the customers. This is the customer. This is my email, right? This is my email. This is my email. You can see here I can be able to credit or debit user. Here I have 381. Let me credit user with 19 naira to make it 200 naira, right? So let me the reason is manual funding. Here I can debit or credit the user. You can see the new balance is what? The new balance is 400. Let me click on this, and the user can see the balance. The user can see that it is 400 naira. So the user can see the transaction history. In the transaction history, the history, when he click on history, he can see that he was being credited with 19 naira. He was being credited with 19 naira. So let me debit the user. Let me debit the user with the amount of 100 naira. Let me debit the user with the amount of 100 naira. Manual funding. Let me update it, and the user will see that his wallet has been debited with 100 naira. He can see that in the transaction the wallet was being debited. You can see it is pretty simple, and users can submit the inquiry. Users can report the transaction to you. You can see here with a single click the user can report the transaction. The user can report the transaction, and the user can click on this to check the how to check the balance. And the user with a single click, he can report the transaction to you. When he submitted the transaction submit, you can see he have submitted this one. This one that you have selected. So here you can check it in the messaging, in app messages. You can see this is the report wallet. So as a admin you can view this and reply to the user. Okay, result. Okay, result. As an admin, you can do this and reply to the user. Once user refresh his website, you can see your reply as an admin. You can see okay, result was being replied by the admin. So this is pretty simple. The user can report to you. When user click on this contact us, he have access to the frequently asked questions. He have access to your WhatsApp, to your email, to your WhatsApp group, and several things. And here with a single click he can chat you. You are going to set these details at the side details. This is where you can set your manual funding account. This is the manual funding account. Once user click on this add money, you have option for manual funding. This is manual funding. This is the card funding, where you can set the payment with pay stack, while the user can do verification to get the account, and also he can get the account using pay basel without verification. And this one have the option for verification with a BVN, or NIN. You can set that here. Either a user to be able to verify with give option for the BVN or NIN, verify and link. You can enable the KYC system, and you can disable the KYC system, and do several things on this website. Because I don't want to take my long time explaining this, so this is the side style. You can change from this. You can change from about 5 login systems. This is the login slash registration systems you can change from. This is the home designing. You can select from different home designing. Here we are using home designing 6. You can select from any home designing you want as you prefer to use. Here what I want to do is just to change this color. Let me change this color. Let me change this color to the red one. Let me change this color to the red one. Here, if I updated the change color, then I have clicked on home and refresh, you can see the name, this one has been changed. So this website that I have created, all I need to do is just to all I want to do is just to create the 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 API account, the API account. Since I don't have an API account where I should get data, let me register with beta data as my API. This is where I'm going to fund my wallet. I am going to fund my wallet. Just click on register and register with beta data. I register with beta data. Here, I'm going to write Musti data. Then for my phone number, I'm going to let me finish this registration. So here I have submitted my details. Then for the state, let me select the state. I'm just registering for this user. I'm registering for this user. I'm registering for this user. Let me finish. So once you have finished, then click on register. Then click on register. Let me use the 5 digit. Let me use the 5 digit. Once you have finished, just click on register, and then chat our customer care. Then chat this customer care number to make your account to become the vendor, not agent. So as a so here I have updated this user to an bendo. You can see now he is a bendo. He have 500 naira in his wallet. So all he need to do is just click on this more. You can see this is more fetch, right? Click on more and get his API access. This is the API access. Once click, you can click on this API access. You have to copy these keys. These are the keys that you need to copy. Just click on this copy API key. Don't forget that we have copied this, and here we have to click on API documentation. This API documentation, we have important two things here. We have the network, the plan ID, and then the vendor. This is the vendor price. This is the vendor price, meaning the price that you are going to get. Let me give you a one example so that you can do the other things for yourself. This is MTN, right? This is the plan ID 20. This is 1 gig SME for the 30 days. This is the vendor price. You will get it at the 258. So let me go back to this admin page of this user. Let me go back to admin page of this user to set all these details. You have to be redirected to this configuration. This is configuration. Then for here, let us paste this wallet API. This is the wallet API. The wallet provider name, just type beta data. Then for the key, you have to paste the key that you have copied. Then select the API provider. So here I'm going to update it. You can do for all these three things. When you click on this API wallet, you can see now the balance has been reflected with 500 naira. So all I need to do is just to navigate back to this configuration again. I'm going to set the network. For here, I am going to set the Airtime API. Click on Airtime API. Here, I'm just going to set for this MTN BTU. Click on beta data. You have to do it for all these. This is for only MTN. This is for only MTN. You can do it for Airtel when you click on this Airtel. You can do it for Glow when you click on Glow. So now I have set for Airtime API. Don't forget. Here, I am going to set it for data API. This is the data API, right? So I'm going to set it for this SME. Then select the data provider, MTN API provider for SME. This is beta data. You can do this for all these plans, then update it. This is the process you are going to do it for Airtime, for and all the others. So here I am going to navigate back to the next things I am going to do. This is the services. This is the services, and here in the services, all you need to do is just to come to these data plans. You have to come to these data plans. If you have this the plan available, you can search it. For instance, now I have MTN 1 gig SME here. If you don't have it, you can click on this add new. Here I have it, and I am going to just click on this action. Then I have to confirm it is MTN. Yes, it is MTN. 1 gig. Yes. SME. Yes, it is SME. Then for plan ID, it is 20. The plan ID, let me set it to 20. The duration, the buying price, meaning that my vendor price is 258, right? Then I can set the user price to decide how much the user will get the data from my website. Let me set it at 260. I am getting it for the vendor at 258. You can set all this, then update the plan. So here I have updated the plan. So let me go back to this user to see if I am able to purchase the data. Here I have the user, right? So let me purchase the data. Click on just data, then select the network. Then here you can select the contact if you have added the contact. Do I don't have the contact, so I don't worry. You can add the contact to select from when you are sending the data. So here I'm going to select the plan. This is SME, right? Says I am selecting the SME. Here I'm selecting the 1 gig plan. You can check the network. Don't forget, this network is updating with the successful transactions of your website, so don't worry about this. Once you are performing transaction, it will be updated to the available data plans. So you can see, click on buy data, then type your pin and continue. Once you have continued, if this pin is incorrect, let me do it again. Because I think the pin is incorrect. Let me try the 5-digit pin, because I have forget the my pin. So as an admin, I can check my pin. As an admin, let me check the pin. What is Let me check my pin here. This is the user, right? Let me check my pin. My pin is 1234. I can also, as an admin, you can also change the user to agent or vendor. Here is a subscriber. You can either disable the user or do depending KYC or whatsoever. You can new message. You can reset his uh, his his password. Here I am typing the pin. You can see I am performing the transaction to make sure that the website that we have created, it is working. Boom, and I have received the data on my line. So this is the how to buy the data. Let us go back to purchase the airtime. This is how to do it for MTN. Let us type the phone number. Let us select the VTU, right? Let us enter the amount. For now, let me just forget. I think let me purchase for only 14 naira. Because I think it's the available balance I have. Let me continue. Maximum airtime purchase is 15 naira. Let me check if my balance is okay for this airtime. It is 14 naira. So I can with this website, I wanted to confirm that we are able to purchase data. Here you can, let me credit the user with 100 naira. To be able to purchase airtime. Update. So now the user will have balance to purchase the airtime. You can see now. Click on airtime, then click on MTN, then let's type the number. Let us select the plan. Let me purchase for 100 naira. So let me try it. Buy airtime. Buy airtime. Boom, the airtime was being bought successfully. So this is how to do it, and boom, we have successfully completed it. I don't want this video to be 40 minutes, then I am going to disable it like this. So if you want to get this script, read below this video. We have the link available for this script. It is only 9,900 for now, but we are going to increase it to 18,000. So you have to hurry to grab your own before the price was being changed. and I can create this BTU website for you, as this person paid me 39,000 to create this one for him. You can also do the same before I increase the price to 50,000. So this is how we are going to do it, and thank you for this.